All right, so first day back, and I don't think I'm gonna take any trades today. Looking at everything pre-market, doesn't look super hot. RVPH is the only one that's even close to VWAP, but the 1-minute MACD doesn't look the best. Neither does the 5-minute, but the 10-minute does look good. It was climbing pre-market. Another thing is it's below 4, so can't even trade that. This one's also below 4, can't trade that. Below VWAP as well, can't trade that. DNAY, pretty decently priced stock, within my range for sure, but again, below VWAP, it doesn't give me much confidence. Another one we had on watch was HGSH, way below my price range, at $291 right now. VORB, it's another one. This one is above VWAP, but it's very light on volume, only 114,000 in volume, so can't trade that either. ABSI, super light on volume as well, above VWAP, but like I said, just super light on volume. Let me see. MRIN. This one's kind of iffy. It came really close to its 200 there. It definitely hit its 50, and now it's back below. So, I don't know. Below VWAP right now. I'm not really interested. It's only basically 500,000 in volume. So really the only one we got going for us is RVPH, but I don't really want to trade this one above 4 for the most part. It has to show that strength. So let's see what this one does here. ALLO is popping on the scans. This one's not on my scans. BBLG is also popping up here. Below VWAP though. RVPH, let's go back to this one. So nice pop there to 63. CSPR, former runner. 500,000 in volume. Bouncing off its 200 is what it looks like. Back below VWAP now, so it's looking like a no trade day today, if I'm being real. VERU. Okay. 5-minute MACD's crossing though. That's what I don't like about this one. ISIG. ISIG just broke its daily high here. I don't think I can afford this one at the moment though. It's way out of my price range. Oh, well, it's in my price range now, right? But it's just out of my buying power, out of my margin area. So I'm gonna have to skip out on this one. BBLG popping up to 4 here, but it's still below VWAP. So this would really have to show strength above VWAP for me to stay interested in it. Let's see, ZNGA below VWAP in my price range, above its 200. MACDs look pretty good, I'd say. This can break back above VWAP and we can see a shift in momentum here. Kind of difficult to tell in the 1 minute, but I think above VWAP, a break of 9 would really show a shift in momentum here, and then this one would look really good to trade, I believe, for its highs, pre-market highs, which is around 925. But I definitely want to see that strength coming through VWAP. I want to see if it can hold. So it's back down. Jeez, back down. It's back down here. I don't know. Not a huge mover, and that entire move right there is 8 cents. So not a huge move or anything, but let's see what CSPR is doing. CSPR is rejecting. Let's check what the SPY is doing. SPY's coming back down. Oy. SPY's really falling. Let's check on Facebook. Facebook, massive drop there as well. Back below its 200. That's crazy because it had that massive climb the other day. BBLG. So BBLG at 4 here. There's a break of 4, 412. Let's see if it can halt or at least hold this level and then surge into a halt. I would like to see it above VWAP, but let's just see what this does. So there's the halt level. Let's see if this gets halted. Nice. So BBLG looks like it's going to get halted here. This is the one to watch now. It's on our scans. It's hitting the scan. So this is the one getting most of the attention. I still want to watch the other one that we were just watching. I don't remember the name of it. DNAY is popping on the scans as well. So let me go ahead and draw our support and resistance lines here. DNAY popping up to view up here, broke its daily high just now. So both a 10 and 5 minute MACD on DNAY are crossing here. I want to see if it can pop above VWAP and hold. Right now it's kind of just rejecting VWAP, and that might have been the move, but I'm going to wait this one out and see what it wants to do. RVPH popping on the scans again. Really hitting the scans. Surprisingly, its daily high is right there though. Daily high of 739. This one has potential. I would want to pull back on this one. Oh well, never mind, because the 5 minute just broke. I don't know. Watch that one later. I want to see when this one's gonna resume. This one should resume at. That's weird. Okay, so 33 is when it actually got halted for some, well, 33 or 34. I'm not sure why trades are still taking place right now. Not sure how these positions are going through, but that's weird. I'm assuming it's 33, so we'll come back at 38 and see what this is doing. CSPR. IMMX just got halted. Light on volume, didn't hit my scans. Veru. Breaking lower. AEHR. Pulling back. CSPR. GMVD. Jesus. I like its 5 minute. 5 minute doesn't look too bad. Probably won't trade it though, still below 1 million in volume. RVPH. Breaking lower. MRIN. DNAY. So DNAY pulling back a little too much already. Still holding 10, but let's just see. CNGA. Okay, so let's go watch BBLG. We'll just wait for this one to resume. No, what's going on here? Did that resume already? Why is there a candle open here? Weird. It's still halted. Not sure what's going on. I don't know why this is. Maybe it's just my charting system, my platform. I don't know. Resumption's literally right there at like basically where it got halted, so that's not good. That doesn't look healthy. And knowing that we're having this weird candle action, I don't know. I don't know what to think here. I also don't know where it's resuming. 425 by 449. For a second it was showing 450 though, and 475 earlier, I believe. 448 now, so it's opening flat, and that's not good. Again, what's going on here? There's no. What? I'm kind of confused here. Not really sure what's going on, but it should resume at 9:33. Somehow trading is still taking place, although it's halted. So we have about 40 seconds before it actually resumes here. Like I said, I don't know what's going on, but now it's also hitting my scans, showing that it is moving. That's weird. The ask is now shorter than the bid. Okay. I don't know. I don't know what's going on here. It's kind of weird. This is the first time I've ever seen this in all my time of trading, so we'll just wait it out anyways. Got about 10 more seconds here before it opens. Okay. So no resumption yet. We're gonna go ahead and wait it out another 5 minutes. Should resume at 9:43 and 44 seconds. Unless it actually got halted at 34, then we have about 30 more seconds right here. We'll wait and see. Okay, so no resumption at 34. So this is going to be resumption at, yikes, that's a pretty low resumption on the ask at least. The bid's still showing 49 by, well, 450 now by 29 on the ask. Not sure why that is, but not looking so good for this stock at the moment. I don't like that. So DNAY popping back up to VWAP here. 5 minute actually looks solid. 10 minute also looks really good for a break above VWAP here. Can we get a 1 minute pullback and then a break above VWAP, and let's see if it can actually hold. So there's a huge surge above VWAP there. Nice. Let's see if we can get a 1 minute pullback candle. This next one just shot through though. So let's see if we can get a pullback, and we'll ride this all the way to 11. First resistance spot is going to be, let me see, we have 1150 there, and then we also have this one here, about 1080 before we actually hit 11. Kind of chopping price action here, but so far I'm liking the setup. 10 minute MACD just crossed, 5 minute just crossed a little while ago, and overall target can be the, I guess, the daily high here. Resistance at, well, at 11 on the daily. So we have room up to 11 as of right now. Let's see if we can get a 1 minute candle pullback, some sideways consolidation, and then a rip higher. But I don't like the spreads, and the price action is kind of choppy now that I think about it. Nah, I'm not gonna take it. I'm not gonna take it yet. Rally actually above this time. Okay, I just got a random text message saying, we're tracking your web history. You have 5 viruses. Click this link to solve it. Like, what? Definitely not a scam. I might just click it. So BBLG still hasn't resumed. We're gonna see resumption here in about 2 more minutes. I don't know, nothing's popping on the scan, so I think this is, again, a no trade day. BKKT, everything looks good, kinda. Pre-market chart isn't all there, but light on volume still. IMMX, this one showed resumption here, kind of just sideways. I don't know. I don't have much confidence in this one. The way everything else is trading, it doesn't give me much confidence, especially with its 1 minute low break here. I'm gonna touch VWAP and hold dollars at VWAP as well at 6, but it doesn't look too strong if I'm being honest. With a couple more seconds to the bell here, or a couple more seconds before the next 1 minute, it's not looking so hot. So let's go back to BBLG. This one should resume here pretty soon. I think in about 30 seconds it should resume here, 44. And if this one doesn't resume, I I think I'm just gonna wrap it up. It's already coming up to 9:45. 0 trades taken. Nothing looks super hot right now. I don't even think BBLG Resumption is gonna be very strong. I think it's gonna be pretty trash. Showing a really low resumption here. I'm not sure what's going on, how it's being traded within the Halt, but I don't know. It doesn't look very strong, and what it's doing right here doesn't give me any more confidence. Kind of whack. So I think that's gonna be it for me. I want to see what it's gonna do though. So there's resumption. If this actually gets halted, that's gonna be pretty crazy. So that's weird. It resumed so low, but shot up so high. So that's really cool. So 460 here, 65. Nice market order to 95 there. Really close to its halt level. So this one's pretty strong. This one's really strong. So that's pretty crazy. That's awesome to see. This one actually has strength then. It didn't even matter how low it resumed because wow, look at that. I don't know. I don't know what's going on here. It doesn't make me want to trade it, honestly. I could have taken a trade here at 435, 440, but just the way that it's moving, I have no idea. Like, it's so weird what it's doing during its halt. I don't know what to think of it, and I didn't want to take a trade on it. So it's doing the same thing here. I'm not really feeling it, so we're just gonna wrap it up. 9:45, no trades, following the new rules. I hope you all appreciated the new trade review. I know it came out way longer than I, said it would, but but I just had so much content to review. So I hope you all enjoyed it. Found some use to it. I know I didn't go into detail, but as I mentioned in the video, maybe it's possible I can do one every week and actually dive into a more detailed analysis compared to me just reviewing what happened, because I realize that's what I'm doing. I'm not really analyzing anything. I'm just reviewing what happened. So if you guys would like to see that, let me know in the comments below. But either way, I really appreciate you all guys, y'all tuning in. So anyways, that being said, we'll go ahead and see you tomorrow for hopefully some more trades. But with the market the way it is right now, we'll we'll see what comes up. So I'll see you guys then.